Ang baba po ng mic! Standing by the principle of which Mahatma Gandhi once said, that never get discouraged if things do not measure by own expectations. Because remember, that the greatest glory in life, it is not winning, but rising every time we fall. What a glamorous and a spectacular evening to each and everyone. Or should I say, Maya, aginong Diyos po kaya kayo man. Standing before you is a fresh and indeed innocent 26 years old sinner. Came all the way from the first ever minor basilica of Pampanga and the original home of Sisig. Tara, tuki kayo kay malagukong syudad na ning Angeles. I am Maiden Smith, but for tonight, since this was the pageant, panel of honorable judges, allow me to carry the image of one of the most prominent TV actress in the Philippines showbiz industry. Ang babae pong dating nagpatibok sa dating pihikang puso ni Mr. James Reid. Bakit? Hindi naman po natin sabay-sabay pagpalakpakan at hiyawan ang natatanging simpleng kagandahan ni Binibining Nadine Lustre.